November is National Runaway and Homeless Youth Prevention Month, which is why this rally was planned. But the people here say this is an issue every single day, with an estimated 1,500 homeless youth right here in San Diego County.
What do we want? Housing!
Dozens of people marched through the streets of El Cajon today
A roof for every youth!
in hopes of drawing awareness to what they say is a crisis in our county.
We estimate just in San Diego alone that there's around 1,500 young people that are unhoused. Think about a classroom, an average high school classroom, 30 students. At least one of those students every year is going to be facing homelessness. Today's about shining a light.
Laura Tancredi-Basie is the CEO of Home Start, a local nonprofit that works to help families and prevent youth homelessness. Statewide, she says there are at least 25,000 young people facing homelessness, adding if it's not addressed early, the trend continues later in life.
Our adult homeless population, they say at least 50% their homelessness began when they were a young person.
One person who knows firsthand what it's like to be young without a home is Ariel Taylor.
I started being homeless at 16.
Now 20, she shared her story at today's rally, saying relying on services provided by local nonprofits helped her get off the streets, so it hasn't been easy.
When you're going from, a transitional age from a teenager to an adult, you're also kind of learning how to adult too. And you don't have any parents to kind of teach you that or any guide. So that's another thing you have to kind of figure out by yourself.
Fortunately, groups like Home Start act as guides, but local leaders say more resources, including housing for young people and less red tape, are needed to curb the problem. That includes not waiting until someone is without a home to help.
It is much easier to help someone who is on the verge of being homeless than to wait until they're homeless.
El Cajon Councilwoman Michelle Metchel was once homeless herself. At the local level, she's advocating for change, but says state and federal leaders need to focus on the issue as well.
It is a crisis, and it's not just here in El Cajon, it's across the United States.
Shanna Handy, CBS 8.